Alright, hi, welcome to this video explaining this project that I'm calling Musician Connections. So basically this is a project that will allow you to explore collaborations between different musicians. And it basically has two main features, a way to find the direct collaborators of an artist and a collaboration path that connects two different artists. So let's start with this one. Before I go into this, all of this is based off of the Neo4j graph database, and I have data from a bunch of different artists. So I have all their songs and who was on each song. And all of these are stored in a graph structure. So you'll see why this would be useful soon. So let's say we want to find the direct collaborators of Drake. We can just type that in, press submit, give it a second, and we get these graphs. So we have two main graphs here. I'm going to zoom out a bit. So this graph is sort of like a bubble chart. You can sort of move these around if you want. And each bubble corresponds to an artist that Drake has collaborated with. And the size corresponds to how many collaborations they've had together. And these same colors represent the same artist on this graph. This is a traditional bar plot, and it's all color coded. So all of the yellows, for example, are all people that Drake has collaborated 8 times with over uh, in the songs that we have saved. Um, so that's the first view, and this goes all the way down. So Drake is probably one of the most, very collaborative. We can also do Lil Wayne. I think he has a lot of collaborations. This takes a minute because there's so many connections. Uh, so Lil Wayne has 204 collaborations. You can see this goes even further down, and we have the same sort of bubble chart. So we can also find the collaboration path between two different artists, right? So we can put in Drake here, and we can say, let's say Elton John, and submit. So this actually finds the shortest path between these two artists, and it has the Spotify embedding, so you can play the song if you like out loud. Sorry, I'm wearing headphones now, so you can't hear them. But this has you can just play these, and it sort of shows the connection between these two artists. So all this is based off of the graph database, and artists are stored as nodes, and then tracks are also stored as nodes. And we basically traverse this graph to find the shortest path connecting this artist and this artist. That's how that works. So yeah, this works for other artists too. Let's say we want to do Travis Scott, and then what's a person that, let's say Taylor Swift, right? So that's like two tracks away. Um, Travis Scott collaborated with Future, and Future collaborated with Taylor Swift. So that's how that works. Thank you. I hope you find this interesting, and I'll add a link. There's a public deployment of this app on Heroku, so hopefully that works. I'm not sure it'll be working when you're watching this video because the database that we're using on the Heroku deployment restart or pauses every 3 days. So it might be a problem for you, but it's not that hard to get this running on your local machine as well. So hope you found this interesting. Thank you.